A very good afternoon to one and all. I am Assistant Professor Pooja Dahare from RBNB College, Srirampur. So today we will see class MSc Seconds first practical of computational botany, that is measurement of central tendency, that is mean, median and mode from the given data. So first of all, what is mean, median and mode? How are they calculated? Mean means it is the summation of all the observations and divided by number of observations, that is known as mean. Median, it is the central value located at the center, which is either in increasing or descending order or can be arranged from ascending to descending order. And next is the mode. Mode is the value that refers to the data which occurs maximum times or which occurs frequently at maximum times. So let's see the problems on mean, median and mode. First we will see mean. For ungrouped data, so here find the arithmetic mean of the marks obtained by 10 students of a class in mathematics. So here we have to find the arithmetic mean. So let's see the solution. First of all, whatever the data is given about values or in the numerical form, that you have to write down in solution, as it will be given in the data also, that is 25, 30, 21, 55, 47, 10, 15, 17, 45 and 35. So here in solution you have to do summation of all the observations and divide it by number of the observations. So formula is summation x upon n. Now here you have to do addition of all the values. And divided by number of observations. That is, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers are there. So divided by number of observations, that is 10. So here total becomes 300 divided by 10 is equal to 30. So the arithmetic mean which we want to find is 30. Therefore arithmetic mean is equals to 30. So this was about the ungrouped data. Now we'll see the example of group data. Find the mean for the following data. So marks and number of students. So here marks means X and students means F. So here data is 5, 10, 15, 20, 35, 30, 35 and 40. In the number of students, that is F, data is 5, 7, 9, 10, 8, 6, 3 and 2. So here you have to calculate the mean for the following data. So in solution, you have to make the columns. First one for marks, next is for number of students, and next column here you have to do the summation of it, that is summation fx here. Now here all the data you have to write down in the columns. So here is 5, 10, 15, 20, here 5, 7, 9, 10, 8. Same way all the numbers you have to write down in the columns. Now here you have to do the total, that is summation of fx, that is 5 into 5, that is 25, 10 sevens are 70, 15 nines are 135. In this way, all you have to do multiplication of all the data given in the marks and number of students. So here, while calculation of this data, you have to do at the end summation of f. So summation of f of all the data, that is 5, 10, 15, 20, 35, 30, 35, 40. Here you have to do summation of all the data, plus you have to do here also all summation, that is 5, 7, 9, 10, 8, 6, 3 and 2. All you have to do addition here. So summation f of all the first data we will get is 50. Total of all the data of first column, and total of second column, that is number of students f data, we will get the total, that is summation fx is equal to 995. Just you have to do addition of the datas, okay. So here we will get summation f is equal to 50, summation here we will get fx is equal to of total, that is 995. All the totals you have to do. So number of students, here we will get summation f50, and here you will get summation fx is equal to 995 by additions. So here next step is to write the formula and then calculate it. So here formula we are going to use of mean is summation fx upon n. Now here you have to do dividation, that is 995 divided by 50 is equal to 19.9 is your mean of data. Then next we will see median. Median is the central value which is located at the center in which observations are distributed either in increasing order or descending order. So the first step in median is to calculate and in it ascending to descending manner. So I'll write the second problem on board of median. For ungrouped data, that is RBC count in lakh per mm cube was recorded as 6, 7, 4, 5, 5, 3 and 4. So these are given in different blood samples. So here we have to compute the mean. the median. So the formula of median is, that is n plus upon tooth item. Before that, the first step is of arrangement of the data. So arrange the data in ascending order. Ascending to descending order. So here first smallest number is 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 and 7. In this way you have to arrange the data in ascending to descending order. Then the next step, that is formula of median. Here the formula in this, you have to write down n plus 1 upon tooth item. Now here you have to count n, that is number of observations in the data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers are there. So 7 denotes as 9 number of observations plus 1 upon tooth item. That is equal to 8 upon tooth item. Is equal to, if you divide you will get 4. So fourth item. And in the given example, fourth item is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 5 will be your median. Therefore, median is equals to 5. Now the third example we will see of mode. Mode refers to that value in the distribution which occurs frequently at maximum times. In some cases mode is absent, while in some cases there can be more than one mode. So let's see the example of mode. So for ungrouped data, 2, 7, 10, 15, 10, 17, 8, 10 and 2. Now here you can observe the maximum times the number repeated is here 10. 3 times it is repeated. So here therefore mode is equals to 10. Because in this case 3 times the value 10 is repeated, so it will be your mode. So in some cases, as I told you, mode can also be absent. Means in such cases the values are not repeated. Okay, so thank you so much.